Amit looked highly confused. His friend Rohit, he went to him and asked, "Hey Amit, what's the challenge?" Amit said, "Rohit, you know what? I have seen hundreds of videos on YouTube. I have at least contacted 50 of consultants and found out one or the other ways to do some things. But you know what? I am still not getting results in my life. There are some partial results, but I am not getting great results in my life." Rohit said, "Oh, that's not a problem. I want you to meet one of my friends and he has solution to all the questions in this world." Amit said, "Really? Is that so?" Rohit said, "Yes, you experience it yourself." And Amit said, "Come on, let us go to him." And then both of them went to Amar's place. Amar was just simply sitting and Rohit and Amit arrived over there. Rohit said, "Hey, hi Amar, how are you?" Amar said, "I am fine. Who is this gentleman? I am seeing him for the first time." Amit said, "Hello, I am Amit and I am a manager of this company." He said, "Fantastic. So, what's the reason for coming here?" And then Amit said, "You know what? I have seen about hundreds of videos on YouTube and I have tried contacting 50 of different consultants, but still I am not getting results in my life. Can you help me out?" Amar simply walked off from there and he pulled out a ladder to climb on an apple tree. He took a towel and started polishing apple. Then he applied wax to apple to just make it a little more shiny. After finishing one apple, he started polishing the other apple. And then Amit said, "What are you doing?" Amar said, "You know what? Couple of days ago, I got an apple from this tree. And when I tasted it, it tasted really bad. I want apples to taste good. And that is why I am working on apples. I am polishing it. I am waxing it." And then Amit burst out in laughter and he said, "You know what, Amar? They are never going to taste it. They are never going to taste good." Amar said, "Why not? I am working on apples. I should get results, right?" Amit said, "No. If you want fruits to be good, you should work on the roots. And when you work on roots, fruits automatically get better." And then Amar said, "Yes, Amit, that's what I want to tell you. You know what? You're just working on the apple. You need to work on the roots. So if you want a lasting change, it should come from within. And that is why you should attend workshops, not seminars, or don't see any videos. They are not going to fetch you any results. Are you ready to attend any kind of workshops for your self enhancement?" Hi guys, I am Dr. Tushar Chothani. You know what? We are going to meet in quite a few days for this learning journey where you are going to learn lots of things which you can apply in real world and get lasting results in your life. Are you excited to meet? I am really highly excited to meet you all over there. And as you come over there, I want you all to find out answer to this very simple question. Ready for the question? Yeah, the question is, what is one thing that a human being starts doing even before it takes birth? Then it continues to do it to the entire lifetime and it even continues after he is dead. Try to find an answer to this and I tell you, this is a non-Googleable answer. You need to find out on your own. You need to think about it. And when we meet on our workshop day, we'll get an answer to it and which will be very enlightening. So, see you in the workshop.